Hello! In today's video I would like to give a big thank you to some people that have subscribed to the channel that have helped me. If you remember, some time ago I've made a video that I will place somewhere here. I'll place the link because I had a problem with the camera. And you probably have noticed that the video that I've made after, the sound was horrible. If there's a bit of wind, goes and I thought, oh my god, I'm gonna continue with that channel, making video like that. So following that video, I had some people contacting me, so some giving me the support and some that helped me financially, and I would like to give them a big thank you. Okay, I will place the name here, and I will also give the name. I'm not sure I will say it right, and I hope I will. So there's Fernando Corujo, sorry if I said bad, man, sorry, Berger and Evengelos Kyrkinis. Voilà. To those people, thank you very much for your support. It's been very much appreciated. Okay, and let me show you what I've bought. I hope that will do the trick. I bought that camera. Let's see, hope you can see it well. It's from Panasonic. It's Lumix J7. So I wanted to buy a more expensive camera, a reflex, but the seller told me, no, go for this. This is the new generation. The reflex cameras are now going to fade away, and this will be the new stuff. On top of it, the quality of video is much better. So I thought, well, okay, I will go for this one. So I hope the new videos will be just ace. Okay. Another thing, if you need to, if you would like to see a video, and I can make it, I will gladly do it. So please put it in the comments on the video. Hervé, you know what, thanks, I would like if you can make a video for this or for that, you know. And if I can make it, I will do it. I've got a list pending. Some I can do it right away because no parts are necessary, for instance to adjust the door, stuff like that. But for others, sometimes parts are needed, so buying it, time to receive it, etc. So there's a delay. Okay, and obviously if there's something going wrong on the car, obviously this goes first. Okay, but if you need something, please put it on a comment. Okay, please don't try and find me. It looks like at the moment there's some kind of reward to find me. I'm not too sure why. People try to find where I live, my phone number, etc. So okay, I won't give it away. I'm very sorry, but I just want to have a bit of privacy. Okay, I'm sure anybody can understand that. But I will gladly answer your comments if you place it on the YouTube comments. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, so well, once again, thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Okay, and let's see each other in the next video. Ciao.